In this lesson, we're going to look at options for publishing REST-style services written in Java. You're looking at the working file, publishoptions.txt. Let me begin with a brief review. So far, we've used Tomcat and Jetty, both of which are written in Java and which are themselves relatively lightweight web servers. We've used those for development, and these are also, of course, suitable for production. These are real-world web servers. They support HTTP and HTTPS. They make an excellent choice for the publication of Java-based websites and web services. Scripts written in Ant or Maven, we've seen an example of an Ant script, can automate the process of deployment and take away a lot of the pain points. If you're using an IDE such as Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ, and the like, these also automate the deployment of web services. So Tomcat and Jetty, although they are production grade, do not pose any serious challenge. The point of this lesson, however, is to look at options. So you might want something even lighter weight for development. And to that end, I'm going to show you an option that's available in RESTlet. There are similar options available in JAX-RS. This next working file is called main.java. It's encapsulated in an executable jar file called RESTlet publish.jar. And in this case, it's used to publish the Adages service that we looked at last time. What I'd like to underscore is how straightforward the approach is. So you can see here, I have the cursor on my main method, and then starting at line 1, the setup is quite straightforward. First, we instantiate a component. Component is one of the RESTlet built-in classes. Next, we call getServers on that component, and we basically add a toy HTTP server. So it's a toy server in the sense that it doesn't support real concurrent access. It handles each process in sequence to completion, but otherwise it's fully knowledgeable about the HTTP protocol. The second argument to add, by the way, is the port number, and I'm picking 8182. Any port number would do if it's open. Finally, we attach a URI, in this case /adages, any URI would do, to a given application, in this case the Adages application that we looked at last time. And the final step in this little dance is to start the component. This basically runs the program indefinitely. You then could use basic curl requests covering the CRUD verbs in order to test that this is actually working. So this is a nice lightweight alternative to something like Tomcat or Jetty, but my 2 cents is that with scripts written in Ant or Maven, Tomcat and Jetty are almost as straightforward to use as something like this command line server.